For centuries, Mars has fascinated humanity. But today we stand closer than ever to making the red planet our second home. NASA, SpaceX, and other companies are racing toward one goal: building a future on Mars. But how realistic is this dream? And when might it happen? NASA's Artemis program is the first step. Before Mars, astronauts will return to the Moon by the late 2020s, using it as a training ground. NASA's long-term vision includes sending humans to Mars, possibly in the 2030s, with advanced habitats, nuclear-powered spacecraft, and sustainable life support systems. Meanwhile, Elon Musk's SpaceX is building Starship. The world's most powerful rocket. Musk's bold claim: a million humans on Mars within this century. In 2025, SpaceX continues testing Starship for deep space missions, aiming for cargo missions to Mars before crewed flights later in the decade. But Mars is not a friendly place. Temperatures can drop to -80 degrees, radiation is deadly, and the thin atmosphere makes survival incredibly difficult. Scientists are working on solutions, like underground habitats, AI-controlled greenhouses, and protective magnetic shields. It's not just NASA and SpaceX. China has announced plans to send astronauts to Mars by 2033. Private companies are designing life support systems, mining technology, and even 3D printed Martian houses. race to Mars is becoming a truly global effort. So, will we actually live on Mars in our lifetime? The answer is closer than you think. Within the next 2 decades, humanity could set foot on the red planet. Starting the greatest adventure in history. Mars is no longer just science fiction. It's our future.